Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Cooking with Yousef, and today we're gonna make a Kabob Koobideh with the chicken, or chicken Kabob Koobideh, which is very similar to beef Koobideh, which I already show you. And there's so many people, they love that and request if we can make that with the chicken, which I said yes, of course. And today I'm gonna show you how to make that, and it's very simple and easy. We have here 2 pounds or 750 grams of the chicken, which is a mixture of a half and half breast and a thigh, because if it's a breast itself, it's going to be very dry. And but you can do it, but be careful when you're cooking it. And about 250 gram of the onion, which is grind, and the juice is out of it. And I have 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, about 4 ounce or 20 gram of butter, which I'm going to add to this, and about same amount is melted butter. And I have some saffron, liquid saffron, for the just adding to the meat for the taste and the smell. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to go ahead and put the meat in this bowl, and with the onion, and I'm going to add the spices that we talk about it, and black pepper. The black pepper is very important because it does have a very good aroma and take the bad smells out of the chicken. I'm gonna put, as I said, about 20 gram, 4 ounces of butter with the room temperature, melted too, because it's really dry. So I don't want to be, just burn it so fast and no taste to it. So I'm gonna mix all together very well, but just going over for about like maybe 4 or 5 minutes to make sure everything's mixed together. And when I do that, I'm gonna add a little bit of the liquid saffron also to this. And after we do all these things, it's a time to just put it on square. Okay, about the onion, I should tell you, when you grind the onion, there are so much of juice and water into that onion. So what I do, either I'm just going with my both hand and just pushing it to take all the juice out of it little by little, or just put in some, just like a cheesecloth, and twist it to get all the juice out of it. So because otherwise this is going to be very loose and is not going to stick to your sticks. So now it's a time I put a little bit of saffron on this one, about maybe 4 or 5, maybe I do it a couple times to just get the nicer color, and also the taste is going to be better. And I do it a few times, and I just keep doing this till make sure 100% all the ingredients are mixed. And there are a couple of the big pieces of onion. I'm going to take it out. Okay, you do this about 4 or 5 minutes till make sure that it's going to stick together and everything is mixed. I'm going to add a little bit of the saffron again, and that's, I think, is enough for it. And keep doing it till again everything is mixed and ready to go to the square. Okay, what we need here is just a little bit of water, which could be a room temperature water. It doesn't matter if it's cold or hot, but it's just room temperature is fine. Just have it here, and just put your hand into that and make sure that your hand is wet, and pick up about like a maybe 80 to 90 grams of the meat and go like this. As I said, it's a little bit difficult to stick to the skewer, but it's not going to be like a Kabob Koobideh beef to be very thick. You have to make it very thin because it cooks so fast, quick, and it's gonna burn if it's, you know, if you just take it too thick, it might not be cooked inside, and it's just gonna be outside, it's gonna be burnt. So it's almost done. So I'm not gonna push it too hard. This is good. Again, wet your hand, take some about 70-80 grams and make a bowl like this, and go over your square to keep it this like this, so it's not gonna fall down, and easy go flatten. And wet your hand again, and one more time, go from up to down. Don't have to push it hard, because as I said, you know, I'm just trying to make it thinner than beef. Here goes the second one, and I'm going to show you another one, then I finish it up and show you how to cook it over the fire. Wet your hand one more time. Okay, we are all done. We're ready for grilling, and the tomato is always good with any kind of kebab. Let's go and do it. Okay, as I said, it's very delicate and it's gonna burn very fast and quick, so you have to turn it around frequently and make sure not to burn it, but make sure that it's cooked. Okay, thank you everybody watching my channel, and I enjoy to making this wonderful kebab, and I hope you enjoy that making it too. And till next time, thank you very much. See you soon.